If you want to promote your product and services on Instagram and attract hundreds of potential leads who are interested to buy your product and services and reach out to you to inquire more about your product and services via Instagram chat, then Instagram DM lead generation ad campaign would be the right choice for you. And in this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step method which you can use to promote your product and services on Instagram and generate direct leads on your Instagram chat box. But before we move forward, let me show you a sample example of Instagram DM lead generation ad campaign. So this is the ad which is running on Instagram. When you click on this call to action button, it will be redirected to your Instagram chat box where your potential clients start interacting with you and get more detail about your product and services. This is how Instagram DM lead generation ads works. But before you jump to creating Instagram lead generation ad campaign, let's see what things you will need. The first thing you will need the Instagram page where you already posted content related to your product and services. Second, we will need Meta Ads Manager account with all the settings and configuration done. If you don't know how to create Meta Ads Manager account and perform all the settings and configuration, then check out this list. Here I created all the videos related to Meta Ads Manager account. So go through the video list and complete your Meta Ads Manager account setup. Third thing we will need is the target audience. You should know few details about your target audience. For example, their location, their age range, what kind of a problem they are going through now, what kind of a solution they are searching on the internet, how your product and services can best fit for their needs. So this is something very much essential because we are promoting our product and services on Instagram, and in exchange we are expecting potential lead to reach out to us and buy our product and services. So it's very essential that you should know your target audience. And the last thing we will need is the ad creatives, which is basically image or video which we will use to promote your product and services. If you want to see what kind of ad creatives are used in your business domain, then go to Google, type Facebook ads library, select your country, then select all ads and type your product or service name or any of competitors name, and you will start seeing all the ad creative which are used by your competitors to promote their product and services on Instagram. So you can get some inspiration from here to create your ad creatives. And if you don't know how to create ad creatives, then you can reach out to me. I'll be happy to create ad creatives for your business campaign. Once you have all these four things ready, then we can move forward where we can start building our Instagram DM lead generation ad campaign. For that, let me open up my Meta Ads Manager dashboard for you. Okay, this is my Meta Ads Manager account. Here I'll be using one of my clients' account to create an Instagram DM lead generation ad campaign. As you can see, there are multiple client account I'm handling. Really, all these are my clients for whom I'm running the ad campaign. So if you want me to manage your ad campaign on Instagram and Facebook, do reach out to me and I'll be happy to set up your Meta or Instagram ad campaign. So I have provided all my contact details in the description box, and also I'll pin my contact details in the comment. Use that contact information to reach out to me and I'll be happy to set all the campaign for you. Now let's move forward. So here on this dashboard, you have to click on this icon called create campaign. Here you need to select this option called leads, then click continue. Here select the manual leads campaign, click continue. Okay, so here we have to provide the campaign name. So I'll provide campaign name as DM leads. Then on this page, we'll not do any settings. Then we'll move to the next stage. So this is the ad set name. So I'll provide the ad set name as well. So DM leads Mumbai. So basically I'm planning to run these ads in the Mumbai. So I'll provide the name as DM leads Mumbai. Feel free to add any name over here. Then scroll down, you will see this option called conversion location. So here we'll select Instagram as our conversion location. Then scroll down, you will see your Facebook page should be linked and listed over here, and your Instagram handle should be listed over here. If you don't see your Facebook page or Instagram handle listed over here, that means you haven't connected your Facebook page and Instagram handle in Meta Ads Manager. So watch this playlist and find out the video related to how to link your Facebook page and Instagram account inside Meta Ads Manager. So complete the setup, and once you've done the setup, you will start seeing your Facebook page and Instagram handle connected over here. Then scroll down, select the daily budget. So here I select minimum budget $10 or 200 rupees in INR. Then start date, you can select start date from today. Then scroll down. In the location section, you can Add the cities where do you want to run the ad. So I'll add city Mumbai because I'm planning to run ad over there. Now scroll down and select this option called advantage plus audience. So here you can edit this part and set the age group of your target audience. As I have mentioned, you should know your target audience age group range. So you can enter over here by editing, then select the gender. You want to target male, female, both, or only male or female audience. You can decide that. Then in the detailed targeting section, so add most relevant keyword related to your business. So for example, if you are into event management, so I'll type event management. Okay, so you can see event management interest. I'll select this one. Then you can see other event like parties, then weddings. Okay, so this way try to find the most relevant keyword related to your business. Try to add over here. Make sure that it's only interest-based keywords you are selecting. Now scroll down and select this option called placement. Inside placement, once you click on the edit, you will see advantage plus placement and manual placement. So in the platform, we have Facebook and Instagram. I'll remove the Facebook part over here because we want to focus only on Instagram platform and showcase our ad only on Instagram. Okay, once you've done this, click next. Here we will use all our ad creatives. So for that, here you have to set the ad creative name. So I'll set the name as ad one. Then scroll down here, identity. Here your Facebook page and Instagram account handle should be properly displayed over here. If it is not listing over here, that means you haven't connected your Facebook page or Instagram account within Meta Ads Manager. So again, I provide you a link. So go there and make a proper connection for your Facebook page and Instagram account within Meta Ads Manager. Okay. Now let's move forward. In the ad setup, we have option to create a carousel ad or video or image ad. For this demo, I'll show you a video ad. Okay. Now scroll down and in this section, click on video ad. If you don't have pre-uploaded video ads over here, you can click on this upload button and add video ads from your desktop. So for this demo, I'll pick some ads from here. Click next, click done. Okay, your video ad creative is now added over here. On the right hand side, you can see its preview, how your ad creative will look on Instagram placement. So you can check the placement over here. And here you need to add your primary text. So just basically add copy. You can use ChatGPT, provide instruction to ChatGPT to create ad copy for you, a primary text for you, and it can create multiple primary text for you. So just copy paste over here. So this is the call to action button. So call to action button, we have multiple option over here. So you can set up any call to action over here, which is more relevant to your business. Okay, so generally I click get offer. I select get offer over here. Now scroll down and here we need to create a message template. So click on this create. Here first part is the welcome message. Whenever somebody try to reach out to you on Instagram after they saw your ad, so this message will be displayed as a welcome message. So you can modify this welcome message as per your needs. The question part, so we will ask some question to our lead to qualify them. So for example, are you interested in our product and services? The answer could be yes and no. So if the answer is yes, we could ask another question to them. If the answer is not now, we can mark them as disqualified lead. This is because they are not seems to be interested in our product and services. And if you want to add more questions over here to qualify your lead, you can add more question over here and you can create your own custom lead qualification criteria over here. Once your lead provided all the information over here, this completion message will be automatically posted. And if you want to attach something over here, you can attach your website link or promo code over here. Then the disqualification message, that this message will be displayed to all the leads who are disqualified during our lead qualification process. So this message means that these leads are not good fit for your business and services. So we will just discard them. Here you need to provide your privacy policy, which is basically information about how you will use the personal information shared by the client with you. So similar way, you can add a link over here, which is a direct link to your privacy policy. Once it is done, click save. Now our message template is created. You can see the preview of message template by clicking on the destination over here. See, so this is the message template we have created, which will be used to qualify our leads. Once you're done, click on this button called publish. Once you publish your ad, it will go to the meta review process. Once your ad campaign is approved, your ad creative will be displayed on Instagram, and it will start attracting potential lead for your business, and they will reach out to you via Instagram chat. Now let me show you how your Instagram ad result will be displayed on your Meta Ads Manager dashboard. Okay, so once your ad campaign is live and it is started displaying on Instagram, then you will start seeing this kind of a results over here. As you can see here, there are multiple ad creatives and you can see some numbers over here. So this number indicate that 27 message conversation already started on Instagram. Similar way for this ad creative, 78 conversations started. For this one, 6, 51, 18. So you will also see the same numbers in your dashboard as well in the result section, that how many conversation has been started. On if you scroll on the right side, you will see all the information related to your ad campaign. So this is how you create Instagram DM lead generation ad campaign using Meta Ads Manager. So watch this video and try to implement your DM lead generation ad. And if you face any challenges or and need my help to set up your Instagram lead generation ad campaign, then do reach out to me. I'll be happy to help you. So use my contact detail in the I'll also pin my contact detail in the comment, and do check that out and reach out to me. So that's it for this video. If you have any question, comment or video request that you want to share with me, feel free to drop a comment. I'll definitely have a look into it. And if you like this video, click on that like button and don't leave this video before you subscribe to my channel. It provides me inspiration to create more videos for you. So do subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you soon.